Irregular verbs that don't change in past tense and past participle. Part 1. Thank you all for your likes and comments. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss our weekly videos. Each verb can have 3 parts: infinitive or base form, past tense, and past participle. With irregular verbs, verb form changes completely, but there are some verbs that their infinitive, past tense, and past participle are the same. Let's see what they are. Listen and repeat. Beset, bet, broadcast, burst, cast, cut, hit, hurt, inset, intercut, let, miscast, mishit, offset, outbid, output, preset, put, recast, reset, rid, set, shed, shot, simulcast, slit, split, spread, sublet, telecast, thrust, typecast, typeset, underbid, undercut, upset. To learn more on this topic, I strongly recommend this video, which is telling you when and how to use past simple. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you get first access to our new videos.